Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the apps that store history. Safari and system settings are primary. First, open Safari and view the History menu or press Command Option 2 to list visited pages. Next, switch to Finder and use Go Recent folders to surface recent files. Once done, open System Settings and enable Screen Time to collect app and web activity. This helps when browser history is cleared, because system-level logs often remain accessible. Now, dig deeper using Spotlight, Console, and Terminal to reconstruct activity. Use Command Space and search site names or file names. Spotlight indexes a lot and surfaces quick results. Then open Console to scan system logs for process timestamps. This reveals when apps launched or crashed. If you need precise records, run terminal commands like last for login history, log show for unified logs, or SQLite 3 against local browser. Finish by saving and verifying the history you found. Export bookmarks or copy console outputs to a text file. Once saved, you can analyze without altering originals. If items are missing, restore older browser databases from Time Machine. This recovers deleted history. If nothing appears, make sure Screen Time and Safari have the proper permissions, confirm iCloud sync settings, and restart Safari or the Mac. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.